viewers do you need before you'll make more?
100.
From this video?
Just this video.
All right, or you say ready.
Ready.
And action.
Hey guys, it's me, vaughntopolist, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Lucario V Star set. I'm so excited. I've held on to this for 24 hours, I think, or more. I don't know. Here's what the box looks like. It has a bunch of cool stuff, if you can see it. Yeah, it has cool stuff. Okay, let's get into the unboxing. So, I need to grip down here and yeah. There's a song stuck in my head. I'm just telling you guys that. So if you hear the song, then put it in the comment section down below. That's the challenge. That's your challenge. That's your challenge. Challenge. If you hear the song, this is my first ever video of vaughntopolist. My real name is Henry. You can call me vaughntopolist. I watch other YouTubers, so I really know about unboxing. Let's get in. Let's dig into this. I got it out of the box. So, all the stuff that will come with it is super cool. So the first thing I would like to show to you is this Lucario coin. That's the Lucario coin for you. Lucario V Star card himself. As you can see, he is a Pokemon. He has 270 hit points, so that makes him a really strong Pokemon. Well, two things. Something that isn't important, and Lucario V, not the V Star, but V, here he is. Not as strong as the V Star, but those are his hit points right there. He's a basic. And Lucario V is the upgraded version of Lucario V Star. Comes with a magnet, I think. Hold on. I don't think it's a magnet, but yeah, it says V Star on it, so it counts. Here's a pin, I think. Here's a pin, I think. I think this is a pin. I'm not sure if it's a pin, but look at Lucario. Just look. Ah! It's so cool. There. Here's the big boy. Look at the size comparison. Isn't that huge? It's a huge Pokemon card. Pokemon pack number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. I know it might be a short video.
You don't want to open the packs?
Oh, yeah, I need to open the packs. That's my dad. That was my dad. Let's open these packs. Let's start with Pokemon Sword and Shield Fusion Strike. Let's see who we have in here. Wow. Pokemon cards galore. Another non-important thing. So the first one we have is an evolved one, first one. Crazy, huh? Here's a fusion strike thing from a bobber. Another evolved one. Wow. This is crazy. I do have Pikachu, by the way. An energy. If you're wondering about if I have Pikachu, I do have Pikachu. That's your answer. Another one. You gotta be kidding me. Another evolved one. Here's a non-evolved one. Here's Mankey. He's not too strong, but he's strong. Sharu. Another non-upped one. Here it. Ooh, Toxel. Here's Toxel. It's kind of. I don't know why his tongue's sticking out. It's just the design. Melton. Here's Melton. Ooh, Vulpix. That's in the game of Pokemon. And Pustle. Here it is. Stack those bad boys back up. There's stack number 1. Stack number 2. I'll do Pokemon Swords and Shield Brilliant Stars. I'm hungry. I'm just including this because it's part of the unboxing. I'm giving it to my dad so he can help me. I am only 7. I'm only 7, guys. I'm only 7. Thank you, Dad. Oh, God. Why are there so many non-important things? So first we have another evolved one first. Weevil. Nice. Well, slash is 100. That's crazy. Ooh, some hunting gloves are an item. Weevil, take care. Put the hunting gloves on so you're warm while you climb that building. Be warm. Egg Scooter. I've seen this Pokemon before. Here he is. He's an evolved guy. Hold on, I'm gonna grab my Lucario V Star and show you that he's evolved from Lucario V. Nice. Here's an energy. Wow. So far, we've only had 2 energies. A V. The Skrovic V. This is from Pokemon Journeys. Stronger than Cinderella. I don't know her name. Don't correct me, but here he is. He's stronger, and his Dragon Strike is If he uses Dragon Strike, he can one-hit Cinderella. Don't correct me! I have my Pokemon card. Here's a supporter. Professor Research. For a supporter. Let me get my chair. Thank you, Dad. Dad! You can see my dad's not in the camera, but he's watching me. He's watching me do this video. Here's Gibble. Here's Gibble. Here's Gibble. Why do so many Pokemon? Why are these Pokemon people just doing something and not knowing what an attack could be, and they just put nah? It's like the weirdest thing. Trapping. I've seen this Pokemon in Pokemon Journeys. It's when they fight Flygon in the sandstorm tornado thing. Cast form. Here's cast form. That's my brother. That's either Jackson or Delilah. Jackson's not my dog, but I'm just taking care of him. Throw. Strong Pokemon. You can see it's very quiet. I should have some music in the background, but it is just my first ever video. And Shroomish. Here he is. Ah! Shroomish, get back here. Don't be so grumpy. Okay, my dad's gonna be right back because he has to deal with those guys, the dogs and my brother. I'll keep doing this video. I don't care. Second stack done. Third stack to go. I'll do Pokemon Sword and Shield Fusion Strike again. Wow. Another Fusion Strike. Why are there so many Fusion Strikes? Thank you, Dad, for taking care of them. Why are there so many not important things? So far I have 4. First one is another evolved one at the start. Oh my god. Graveler. Here he is. Oh, Boulder Crush, it's cool. He's strong. But I don't think he can beat Mr. Pikachu. Glister. Dad, what does this say?
Gliscor.
Gliscor. He is another evolved. Wow. So far, these Pokemon cards are mine. I'm not gonna let my brother get too near them because, well, he can bend them. Stantler. 3 Pokemons in a row. Wow. An energy! Bro, this is an energy that I've not seen. A leaf energy. I've only seen fire and lightning. You've seen the lightning energies. But you haven't seen the Bedroom Bee, bro. Oh god, he's strong. He can stop Cinderella in one hit. Look at him, he's so cool. Single Strike. Quillfish. Pufferfishy. I really like these shiny patterns on them. I also have Bakugan cards, but I don't have that many Bakugan. I only have one Bakugan card. But I have 3 Bakugan, but the other 2 I lost, and one's a Geogun. Mashuka. I'm just pronouncing it that way because that's how I see it. Shroom. Snorm. Is it from a... Ah! Is this from a Pokemon movie? Because why is there realistic trees and why is there... That. This is probably from a movie. Here's... Ooh, one of the classics. Snorlax. Snorlax. Wow, he's strong. Heavy impact. Wow. He's strong. Phantom. It's basically a ghost plus a stump. You might be wondering, vaughntopolist, that's a PH. It's phantom. PH makes the f sound, so it's phantom. I know that. Sound. Total is our last one for our 3rd pack. Look at him. So cute. Let's get these guys. So far, we've had 2 V Stars. 3 down, 3 more to go. Pokemon Sword and Shield, Chilling Region. Why are there so many non-important things? I'm gonna throw away all these non-important things if they get to me enough. Lucky energy, bro. The star. It's the star. It's the star. Lucky energy. Ooh, a trainer. Clayton. Oh wait, I need to show them to you. Here they are. Forgot that I have to show them to you. Another trainer. Here's Penny. Here it is. I want to get a Pokemon this time. Energy. It's an energy I haven't seen before, but I'll take it. Zangoose. 110. Here he is. Finally, our first Pokemon of this one. Another one. Another realistic one. Really. This is a long unboxing. One of the main characters in Pokemon Journeys. Score Bunny. Yes, now I have Pikachu and Score Bunny. Diglett. This is a Preston Plays plushie too. Preston Plays. This is another YouTuber. It's not too strong, but I like Diglett. Inkay. Why does he have a bunch of food? I want to eat that food. I'm hungry. I'm still hungry. Grookey. Here he is. I don't think I've had any evolved ones. In this one, Snornut. Okay, that's 4 out of 6. We have 2 more to go. That's loud. I'm storing them over here. Did you notice that I'm wearing tomato ketchup shirt and sweatpants? Even though it's June. This is in 2022. This is June 11th. This is June 12th, 2022. I'm pretty sure. Can you open this? My dad helps me with a lot of things, guys. Believe me. Like I said, again, first ever YouTube video. Now I have a lot of Pokemon. Not important thing. Another Graveler. Another one. They think they're funny, huh? Battle VIP Bath Pass. It's cool. I've never seen one of these before. Ooh, Snidey. Why is he trying to steal a Pokemon? Is he trying to steal Pikachu? Is he trying to steal Pikachu? Is he trying to steal Mr. Pikachu? That's my impression of Pikachu. Another energy. Absol. Here she is. Yeah. Oh, he's Sydney. Sydney. Yeah. Wow, she's good. Another one from the Pokemon game, Sizzlipede. Dad, you know Sizzlipede, right? Yeah, you know Sizzlipede.
I do.
He played the Cinderace one. Now we finally know her name. He played Cinderace, and the first one in the tutorial he did Sizzlipede. We're gonna play Pokemon after this. Sarkanomi. Kind of like Ciranomi, but it's Sarkanomi. Here he is. Kind of like a dragon plus a chicken gliding around. Chickens can't fly, but they can kind of glide. Panpour. Here he is, a little monkey. That's my impression of a monkey. Put a smiley face in the comment section below if you think I have a good impression. Thumbs down if you think I have a bad impression. I would put a smiley face if I were you. Seawaddle. Cool. He's not too strong, but he's cute. Here he is. I showed them 2 times because I sometimes think I do it too fast. These are my Pokemon cards. My Will. Here he is. Here's my Will. Dad, what time is it?
Time to keep going. One more pack.
And then that would be the end of the video. I saved the coolest for last. And Mashuka. Another one! Really? I have 2 duplicates now. I might throw the duplicates away because I already have them. But I'll keep them. Hold on. I just want to keep them out of the camera. Stacks. That was a dog. My dad's going to take care of it. My dad wants this to be perfect. It's my first ever video. Oh wait, this is Pokemon Sword and Shield Brilliant Stars. Probably gonna have a lot of star power-ups. Not important thing. Another Eevee! Crawdot. Here he is. Ooh, a magma basin. Here he is. It's a stadium. Ooh. Here is Hitmon. Here's Hitmontop. Here's a Hitmontop. Here he is. He's cute. He's a little angry, but he's also cute. Energy, bro. I think I've gotten so many energies, and I've not gotten like a water one yet. Another evolved one. Haxorus. Here he is. He's cool. He looks nothing like his normal form. Pot helmet. So I don't. Why did they add pot helmets into this? It's kind of weird. Another. Well, it's from the movie. Staru. I have two of these. This one from the movie. The other one isn't. Why do they make them 3D and then just like put them, slap a human background in it? Carablast. He's angry. He looks angry. That's why I do that. I do things like that a lot. I'm crazy. Clarify, kind of like Jigglypuff. I feel like this is an evolved version of Jigglypuff. But Clarify is just Clarify. I don't know why. Ooh, Cherry Boo. Cherry Boo. More like Cherry Bomb! Yeah, from PVZ. Our last Pokemon for this video is Sock. I don't know why they named it Sock. Sock. Let me stop these guys up. Not yet. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is my first video ever. If you haven't forgot, I've just been saying that over and over again. Bye, guys. It's me, vaughntopolist, and roll out.